Hey guys, we're back here at our unit development today and we've got Harry from Brett's here. So look, we want to get across in this video how important it is from a builder's point of view and get it across to other builders and tradies, how important it is to build great relationships with companies such as Brett's. On this particular project here, the guys from Brett's have been absolutely fantastic. We've got everything from pre-nailed frames, trusses, the full cladding system, insulation paper, windows, the works. So for us, the benefit with dealing with a big company like Brett's that does such a wide variety or supplies such a wide variety of items and materials for a construction site, simple things like your windows and your pre-nailed frame, like we've got the ability that their guys can talk to each other. So we're not having to spend all the time to coordinate and make sure everyone's on the same page. The window guys know what we want. They can talk to the frame guys if there's any hassles or changes that need to be made. They can do it in-house, and that way when we get the frame goes up, we get the windows on site, the windows all marry up and everything flows really well. So Harry, tell us a little bit about like Brett's and how you deal with builders and what you can offer builders.
Yeah, thanks, Dwayne. Yeah, I mean, from a business like Brett's point of view, the whole idea is that relationship allows us to work with you on the design on that project so that we can help you with efficiencies in the building process and design the project so that the end user actually gets the product that they want and what you're looking for. So yeah, every builder has their little different ways of doing things, so we can get right into it to the nitty gritty right from the design stage. If we can help you with any savings or anything that can make the building, the job flow faster, cost savings in materials, everything like that, we can look at it from a holistic point of view so that you get what you want, we understand what you're trying to achieve, and then the finished project actually comes out exactly how everyone is planning to have it.
Like I know with our business, DPS Constructions, we've gone away from that model that everyone gets sucked into about trying to compete purely on price. Like I think it's a big thing. All businesses, you need to sell a service, like not just compete on price. And for us, like Brett's isn't always cheapest, they're definitely very competitive, but the service that we get from Brett's is second to none. Like we've never had service that's come close to it. We get really well looked after, and that's through everything from working through our quoting process, delivery, scheduling, meeting our time frames, like all that sort of stuff. It's a team effort, isn't it? Like you've got to get a supplier that wants to work with you.
Yeah, it is. I mean, like I said, Brett's is 100 years old. I mean, it's been involved in the building supply or building industry for majority of that time. I mean, starting off as sawmillers. But what it's done is we've got a lot of long-term employees who understand and have been doing this type of thing for a long time. And the culture within the business allows us, with those people, with the experience, with the knowledge, and some new youthful people come in to try and build that relationship and build that business, because I mean, in the end, everyone obviously wants a profitable business, but we also want to have fun doing it. Everyone enjoys it, and it actually gives everyone that bit of ownership and involved in that whole process. So you're not just a clerk or a sales rep or someone who's pulling the timber and the frames. Actually, they can actually feel like they're part of the project. So with that relationship, and you know who it's for, where it's going, and how it's going to end up. So it certainly works.
That side of it's definitely been a big thing for us. Like in our early days, we definitely got sucked into that price is everything. You've got to just shop around, look for the cheapest price on everything. But we've found so many more benefits to working with a company like Brett's that is all about service and looking after us. It actually helps us a lot with our job scheduling, our client relationships with our actual clients that we're building for. We know if we book something in or schedule something or we order a material, you guys look after us, and some on the odd occasion where something might be delayed or held up, there's a very good communication or line of communication where we get told so that we can update our clients, and it just works better for everybody.
It does. I mean, like I said, we try and not control the process, but make sure everyone understands what we try to do. We have our own systems and processes in place, so that comes out. And like I said, you know, we definitely will be competitive. I'm not saying we'll always be the cheapest or the dirtiest and the nastiest, but definitely the most competitive with all aspects of it. And once again, like I said, if you're a valued member of the Brett's planning, which we look at our customers is that buying over the business, there are certain places where, you know, if you look at the whole job, we probably will come out cheaper. But you know, if you just want to buy one stick of timber or you want to buy one sheet of fibro or something like that, yes,
Yeah.
it may not, but as a package, overall, including the service, the delivery, and the time we can save you on site, in the long run, it should all come out in front.
Part of the other stuff, the other businesses we have, we're like Live Like Build and Quakesbag and stuff, where we're helping builders run better businesses. But we're really trying to get that across to builders to stop shopping for the cheapest price, because it's not going to get you anywhere. You need to be building quality relationships with reputable businesses such as Brett's, because it's not just going to help your overall project and your bottom line, it's going to help your business. You're going to have a quality business that's dealing with quality trades and suppliers, and you're going to have that relationship there that you can count on your reps and things to get back to you with information, help you out. And like you said earlier, there may be a better solution that
Yes.
the builder hasn't thought about. And by having a good relationship with someone like Brett's, your guys can come back to us, say, hey, have you thought about this, or do you want to do this? And there's always other options. So look, for us, Brett's is fantastic like that, and we believe we get a far better finished product because of working with companies like yourself.
Yeah, no, like I said, overall, that's the whole idea, is to, everyone's got a job to do, and if it all
Yep.
fits in together, and like I said, that relationship, the whole thing about the relationship is people get to know people.
Yep.
I mean, you can say you're not just a number, you're not just a customer or everything like that. Your Dwayne comes into the yard, everyone knows it's Dwayne, or one of your trades or someone like that comes in, everyone knows, and you all feel part of the same project.
Yeah. So guys, that's all for today. So I hope you've got something from that. And look, definitely, if you're a builder out there in Southeast Queensland, you haven't tried Brett's yet, you guys need to get on board, contact Brett's, and they'll definitely look after you.